Toastmasters, friends, and guests. Anyhow, how many of you have a pet dog? Dog. Not dogs, just one dog. Wonderful. Recently, it was my challenge. All my information has been conveyed to me by some friends, my brother-in-law who's a veterinary doctor, my kids especially. They said we need to have a dog because we bother them too much. So that will keep us busy. Me and my wife, we are not fond of any pets. We never had any pet. We like them, but we don't want to take care of them. We don't want to be responsible for them. So a friend of mine, he mentioned it to me, okay, if you guys have a dog, it's a wonderful friend, it keeps you busy. So many things he mentioned. Even my brother-in-law, since he had a pet hospital, I was joking to him, I said, you're looking for another client, that's all. So along the same lines, I thought, since everybody is saying it's a good idea to have a dog with pet, so why don't I do some research? So what do we do in these days? We go to Google. Okay, search for it, Google, tell me this. So first thing I typed in, pet dog, how to take care of, or how to find a best pet dog. And there are several articles pop up, and everything I looked at, that's interesting, and I was surprised, not surprised, but I knew, there were so many people are putting the information in. First thing, whenever I do something, I look at it, what's the benefit for me? So I said, benefits of having a pet dog. So they listed, 10 benefits of having a dog. Now, get sick less, resistant to allergies, be happier. So I wasn't sure, I'm going to be happy having a dog, taking care of him. Better heart health, more exercise, more active social life, cancer detection, a reflection of your personality. That was really concerned me, how that is going to reflect my personality, having a dog. So then I thought, I don't know, went into detail or read about it, but along the same lines we see the person is known by the society he keeps, so that must be applicable to the dog too. So lower stress at work. So I was surprised, how are you going to lower stress at work? And most people said some places allow you to take the dog to your workplace, so if you have your own business or a private business. So those are so many benefits I see. Okay. Going to the next article, this list of dogs. Wow. The list of dogs. This is companion dog, guard dog, hunting dog, working dog. So we should be categorized the male. He's a working male, he's a non-working male, type of thing. So it's pretty interesting to see how much information a pet has before you find one. Sled dog. So those are the type of dogs. There are so many of them. I just picked few that I like. The next, I went to, there were some breeds of dogs. There was the topic was saying 151 breeds of dogs. Wow. How do I supposed to know 151 breeds of dogs? Do I supposed to study each one of them? And I clicked on it, and each dog with a nice picture and some description next to it. And it was looked like you're looking for a ride online type of thing. This one looks cute. Okay, let's click on this one and see what it says. So let's read the description. The point I'm trying to make is so much information there. You don't know what to do. You don't know which dog. Being not a pet owner in my life, I know very little about dogs. People who have them, they may identify, they may talk to the other owners and see these are the good qualities, bad qualities in the dog. But finding a dog is a big challenge. And the next question is, how am I going to find one? Is it adoption? Or bring a dog from a friend? And last week my brother-in-law, he called my wife. He said, hey, I have a dog for you, would you like to take it? Because somebody dropped off the dog in front of his pet hospital, one in Fresno. So my wife said, no, we are not ready for it yet. No, not yet. So I'm doing all the study my own. I don't share with my wife because she's going to say, oh, you're going to spend all the time wasting your time, at the end you are taking no action. So it's all my study, but it's overwhelming. It's very informational, very detailed information is online. The question I have to ask myself, am I ready for it? Am I ready to take the responsibility? Am I ready to go through the consequences if the dog gets sick? The other issues they have, okay, some are aggressive dogs, some are less active dogs. So much information I'm trying to figure out. Is this the right for me, or am I going to pursue forward to get a dog soon? So if I find one, or try to, or decided to have one, I will share it with you guys. Thank you very much.